so I just got this IPL treatment in that I wanted to come on and show you guys how easy this is. So in the box you get your unit, you get a razor you want to shave before doing it, and then you get some glasses because this is going to put off a really bright light, so you want to make sure you have these on. So compared with shaving, waxing, or even plucking, the IPL systems are much safer, and they are very gentle to use. So you can use this on your legs, you can even use it on gentle skin areas like your lips, bikini line areas, your underarms. So this is a full body laser. It does have 2 modes on it. So it's gonna have a continuous to do long parts like your legs, or it's gonna have where you push a button to make the laser shoot. And that's gonna be for smaller areas like your armpits, maybe the curves of your knees, just so it's easier to get. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to power it on. So you can see your power button, and you just hold it down. You'll hear the fan kick on, and there are 5 levels to this. So of course, when you're first starting it, you wanna start on the first, which is gonna be, you know, for sensitive skin. And then you can work your way up. So to move up the levels, you'll just hit this button. Well, you'll hit the power button, sorry, you'll hit the power button backwards. So you'll see it go up 5, and then it will start counting back down. And then these numbers up here show how much you have in a flash, which is when the laser shoots. And then if you hold this button down and see that little triangle of the 3 squares come on, that means that it is in the continuous mode, and it's not going to shoot a laser until you have it up to your skin. You want to hold it at a 90-degree angle. And then to power it off real quick before I show you how to use it, you just hold the power button, and once you see those numbers show up, it's counting down before it powers off. So we'll let it power off, and then I'll show you guys how to use it. So now it's off, super easy to function. Now I'm gonna put my glasses on. The glasses that come with it are nice. They're big enough to go over my actual glasses so that I can still see what's going on. All right, so I'm gonna power it back on. I'm gonna show you how to do the flash on it first. And I'm doing sensitive because, as you can tell, the number starts at all 9s. So I haven't used this besides one time to try to see. So I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. So be prepared, there is gonna be a flash. So that is just the one-time use. And now I'm going to hold this to bring up those, that little triangle of little square, 3 box squares that make a triangle. And this is going to be the continuous. So I'm not pressing anything, it is going as I'm moving it down my leg. Super easy to use. Gentle, no pain at all. I just went down my leg, didn't feel anything. It doesn't get hot or anything like that. So super nice product, really easy to use. And I'm gonna power it off.
Today's the day. We are going to try our IPL hair removal system. And this is the machine. Plug it in. You can hear it, it's on right now. And basically it's compared to those lazy hair removals that we pay lots of money for to reduce the appearance of hair. I actually got it done many years ago on under my arms, and it was the best investment ever. As I'm aging, I get like these, I call it a beard. It's not a beard, but it's like, I don't know, cat whiskers. They're disgusting. And so I want to try this out for some of those areas of unwanted hair. Read the user's manual, so it comes with the user's manual. Comes with, I have it on right now, the cord. You want to put on the cool glasses because it's going to be on my face. You don't want it to damage your eyes. And you want a clean face or body area wherever you plan on using this. And it comes with several different modes. So I'll turn it off real quick so you can hear me a little bit better. It's off. I'm going to turn it on. You hear the fan. So the cooling part is this little snowflake that's on there, and when that's on, it's really cold to the touch. It's like a little ice cube on your face. So you can have the cooling on or you can have it off. It is a slight difference in the way it feels. It isn't like, it doesn't ever burn, but it's just like a little warmer when that's not on. And the different modes, intensity modes, it goes from 1 to 9. You don't want to, if you're like dark skinned and you have dark hair, I don't think it's going to work very well. They tell you that in their user's manual. Or if you're light skinned with light hair. People like me that are light skinned but have dark hair, perfect candidates for this. And over time, it's to reduce the hair in that area, the growth, and probably make it, I think, finer as well. There's a whole schedule of how to utilize it and the frequency depending on the area. So for example, use 2 to 3 times a week for the first 1 to 4 weeks, 2 times a week for weeks 5 to 6, and so on. So anyway, it also has 3 different modes of what it does. So HR is a hair removal. SC is skin rejuvenation. I'm assuming it's the way the light, what type of light gets you. RA is to remove acne scars. And then there's an auto mode. And then on each of those modes, there's a little cooling. So you can have the cooling on or off. So we're going to go ahead, and there's my dad calling me right now. Put on voicemail. And we're going to try it. Hair removal. Beard, Sasquatch area. Cooling mode. Supposed to wait, I think, between 5 seconds between each one. So the light regenerates. Once in a while, I hear or I smell slight hair. Supposed to shave the area before, but sometimes you skip them. So it kind of smells like a little weird. And I don't think you're supposed to go over the same spot twice. My husband will appreciate a non-bearded lady. Ooh. All right. So I'm going to give you guys an update in a few weeks. And hopefully I'll have less hair. Wish me luck.